Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of dealing with frustrating issues while working on your Xcode projects? Have you ever encountered a situation where turning on Code Assistant causes your storyboard to disappear? You're not alone. This issue can be really confusing, especially if you're new to iOS development. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to resolve it. So what happens when you turn on Code Assistant in Xcode? The Code Assistant is a feature that provides real-time feedback and suggestions while you're writing code. It's designed to help you catch errors and improve your coding skills. However, sometimes this feature can cause issues with your storyboard. When you turn on Code Assistant, Xcode starts analyzing your code and providing suggestions. This analysis process can cause the storyboard to disappear from the editor. But why does this happen? The reason is that the Code Assistant is trying to parse the storyboard file, which is not a typical code file. The storyboard contains a lot of visual elements and layouts that are specific to iOS development. As a result, the Code Assistant gets confused and can't properly analyze the file. This causes the storyboard to disappear from the editor. But don't worry, this issue is easy to resolve. To fix this issue, you need to tell Xcode not to parse the storyboard file when the Code Assistant is turned on. You can do this by going to the Editor menu and selecting Behavior. From there, you can uncheck the box that says Parse Storyboard File. This will prevent the Code Assistant from analyzing the storyboard file and causing it to disappear. Another way to resolve this issue is to use a feature called Excluded Files. You can exclude specific files or directories from being analyzed by the Code Assistant. To do this, go to the Product menu and select Scheme, and then click on Edit Scheme. From there, you can add the storyboard file to the excluded list. So, what are the from this video? First, turning on Code Assistant in Xcode can cause issues with your storyboard. Second, the reason for this issue is that the Code Assistant is trying to parse the storyboard file, which it's not designed to do. Third, you can resolve this issue by telling Xcode not to parse the storyboard file or by excluding it from being analyzed. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this explanation helpful in resolving the issue with your storyboard disappearing when Code Assistant is turned on. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more iOS development, tutorials, and tips. If you're experiencing issues with your Xcode project, we'd love to hear from you. Please share your experiences in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help you resolve them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.